Welcome back to our new video class, High Class Fifth. So today's topic for the revision is Eureka, and then we have to go towards our last poem, that is a prayer. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to correct the following sentences. So the sentence is first sentence is Colonel Hunt's team took 7 years to climb Mount Everest. You have to did correctly. Then Sherpas are the people who reside on Mount Everest. Then the British Everest expedition was led by Tenzing Norgay. Then Hillary and Tenzing were at the summit for 15 hours. So you have to correct these all the sentences. Then the next question is fill in the blanks with one or more words. So question is what Edmund Hillary was from. So you have to did that. Then the highest mountain in the world is. Then Sherpas are hired to carry blank to the mountain. Then at blank Hillary and Tenzing reach the summit. Okay. Then you have to match the following, that is first column about the vertical rock face, then Komolangma and guides and carriers. Okay. Then B column is about Sagarmatha, then Sherpas and Hillary's steps. Then the next question is answer the following questions. Question क्या है? What are the challenges faced by climbers while climbing high mountains? The next question is what did Hillary and Tenzing do when they reached the summit of Mount Everest? So I had taught to you that also, and I had given the all questions answers previously also. Then the next question is what made the British Everest expedition successful? And the last question is the word Eureka means a cry of joy on discovering something. So do you think this title is suitable for the lesson? And if the title for this lesson is suitable, then you have to give the reason. So this is all about the revision of our Eureka, that is the lesson. Then the next is our poem. The last segment of our revision is a prayer. So as we know that the poet has described that he were not alone when he was thinking about the God, because God is like a safer to him, and God will always have to be promised to him about that. God will always be with the poet. Then so now what you have to do, you have to solve the question and answer. So what's the first question for you? Answer with reference to the context. Okay, so this is very much important for you, my dear students. So every reference to context you have to need to see it very carefully. So the question is what? He lets me rest in fields of green grass. So this is the line from the poem. What you have to do, you have to give two questions answer. First question is who does he refer to? And the second question is the poet lying in the open field literally? So you have to give the answers. Then the next line of the poem, about that there are three questions. So the line of the poem is even though I go through the deepest darkness, I will not be afraid. So the first question is here I refer to whom? Okay, you have to give that answer. Then what do you think is the deepest darkness mentioned here? And the last question is about the reference to context number 2. Why is the poet fearless? So these are the reference to the context question and answer question part. Then the second question is you have to give the answers for the following questions. So the question is quote verses from the poem that depict the Lord as a good shepherd. The next question is how can a rod and staff be protective? And the last question is the poet is lead to fresh water. What happens to the poet there? Explain. Okay, so this is all about our revision section. So I think you people now be fresh. So you have to go towards your examination very soon. That's from 1st of our week of November. So wish you all the very best, my cute students, to all of you, and be calm mindedly. You have to go to face your examination. So wish you all the very best. Take care.